So just Google vegetable sources to get iron. I'm gonna just break down, you can get iron from all sorts of plants and vegetables. I'm gonna just read it off. And so first off is with legumes. Lentils, 1 cup of cooked lentils have 6.6 milligrams of iron. Other beans such as red kidney and navy beans have 4.4 to 6.6 grams of milligrams of iron. Can you only get iron from eating red meat? From nuts and seeds, whether it's pumpkin, sesame, hemp, or flax seeds, you get anywhere between 1.2 to 4.2 milligrams of iron per tablespoon. Also through cashew nuts. From vegetables, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and things like that, you get 2.5 to 6.4 milligrams of iron per cooked cup. So just Google vegetable sources to get iron.